Kohima Press Club. Uh, Before that, I will just, I am Soni Kumar, Assistant Director, Press Information Bureau, Kohima. And I would like to thank Kohima Press Club for making us conduct this program in your conference hall. And Kohima Press Club has been supporting us for the last so many years in so many functions, programs we have conducted so far. So we are really grateful to you. And today also, in such short notice, we are inviting all the media persons in Kohima for this simple press conference, which is but still very important. On the topic is this. We see in the banner in the background. It is WEBS. WEBS is basically World Audio Visual Entertainment Summit. So in short, it is known as WEBS. So this summit is happening in Mumbai from 1st May to 4th May. So all the so many foreign countries are also participating in this thing. Though the main reason why we are calling this press conference is most people around here, including ourselves, also we are having very little knowledge about the WEBS. What is WEBS and what is going on. On the other hand, the government is giving a lot of emphasis on this thing, WEBS. So this right now, so many media persons from all over the state, all over India, they are also going there to forward this event. So we have also tried to send one person from Nagaland, but luckily this time this lot went to another state because we have already conducted so many tours earlier. So next time we will do that. And this World Audio Visual Entertainment Summit WEBS, it is from 1st May to 4th May in Mumbai, India. So here what the government of India is trying to project is promote the cultural traditions and lifestyles, the folk tales and all the ancient heritage of India through the use of modern tools like AI, digital graphics, bagara, then through the medium of films, then poems, then comic books, like that. So many mediums are being used, even the electronic media, print media, social media, they are all involved. And most of the famous film personalities are involved in this. They are advisory board members in like Anil Kapoor, then name anybody, Hema Malini, everybody is there. Even Amitabh Bachchan and even cricketers and other people from so many other fields are also here. So it is, this is one project which is trying to uplift the youth of the talented youth of the country to project and promote and also earn income from this mission, I would say. So there are so many different types of competitions which has already been completed, but unfortunately less people from our side, they have gone and participated because it is on the southern side, being conducted on the southern side of India, in Mumbai. So other states, there have been so many winners have been declared, and they will be doing so many things in collaboration with other foreign countries also, and again with media houses. So this thing, there is another important reason why we need to promote WEBS in Nagaland also, not only Nagaland, in all of Northeast, because we are not very much aware of what is happening there. So basically that is the point. The other ones, like they are having global media dialogue, then all 4 days they have, the program schedule is too hectic. So even all the famous names, Assam, this is Assam Bhosle Bagrat, they are also there. Then there will be exhibition, very world-class exhibitions will be there. Then it is all powered by AI tools, and then it will be showcasing the culture and tradition of ancient India, both ancient and modern India. It will be promoted worldwide, and likewise other countries also can promote theirs through the medium we have mentioned here. So most of the timeless wisdom to bring in global harmony, India's rich cultural heritage, then spirituality and yoga emphasizes holistic well-being and mental peace. Those are the things which will be being promoted by these webs. This culture of performing arts such as music, arts and dance, literature and philosophy of Vedas and Upanishads, traditions of storytelling with epics such as Ramayana, Mahabharata and Gita, strengths of M&E industry, and then growing economy and increasing consumption, world's largest film industry, that is Bollywood. Bollywood is one bigger than Hollywood in terms of number and size, number of production. World's largest film, then young and vibrant creator ecosystem. This is very important one. This is the point I wanted to emphasize because this is where most of the youth, talented youth will be going in. Rapid digital growth and internet reach. So these are all the common objectives of this World Audiovisual Entertainment Summit. So other things, I have prepared one PPT that is around 51 pages. So the details we can get from the PPT. I will share the PPT with you so that you can have a better idea of what you are going to write or publish. Then other things like the outcomes, let's see the outcomes, financial investment, support through incubation and acceleration, program in ICT and other educational institutions, mentorship program for selected startups, possibility of grants under Startup India mission to be explored. Like if some youths are having a startup or something, then they can get benefits from here also for training and all those things. They will get this thing from the government. Then master classes will be there, workshops, creator conclaves, infusion of funds, Web CIC awards, India and global category, create in India series grant finally. So these are all the components, and this is just the beginning. So it will keep on going, adding. So next time it may be in some other location. The first is it is inaugurated in Mumbai, but next time it may be on our site or in Delhi or some other place. It will keep on changing like this, and it will keep on promoting, and even not only that, even games also it will be included here in the mobile games, computer games. It will also be included here. So the main thing is to train the youths to make a complete package regarding Indian theory, ethos and literature, heritage, and promote it into the global world through the use of modern technologies like AI, through the medium of youths. This is the main focus of these webs, but it is promoted worldwide. So that is the main background of these webs. So that's all I have to say. So let us, after that, let us have some sort of interaction. Whether I'm also all talented youth, skilled youth, who are good in computer, who are good in graphics, who are good in this thing, art, who is a good artist, who good drawer like that now. Then singers also, everybody is, it encompasses everybody. I mentioned the journalists because Ministry of Information and Broadcasting is deputing journalists from each state to cover the event there. Just like we did to Prayagraj now for this thing. क्या होता है? महाकुंभ का. We sent two people from here, one from Hollywood TV, another from Morung Express. So like that, this time also one person was supposed to go there, but actually slow rotation was there. So this time we went to another state. So we miss out, but next time we'll do that again. To have a good grasp of what webs is, and let's try to promote it here, so that use of our state, our region can also benefit, not take the benefit. Thank you.